Well, good morning. Today is a misty day. I'm walking downtown now. I'm walking here in this part of countryside. It's the countryside south of Baghdad and Wasat. And the reason I like this crispy, wintry, misty kind of weather is because of how refreshing it is in the morning, especially when you wake up, sip a cup of coffee, and then start walking in this road that takes you to probably another road that takes to another road in this beautiful early morning weather. Check it out. See. So the kind of rumming sound that you hear is kind of grass that some people collect to their cows in the morning. As you can see here, I think this is an ideal weather and ideal place for people who are trying to escape the crowd and traffic and downtown, especially escaping downtown Baghdad and trying to reflect a little bit, isolate yourself, enjoy the smell of wood, enjoy the smell of trees, enjoy the smell of leaves, enjoy the smell of the whole weather here. It's really refreshing, organically natural to an extreme level. I mean, you can definitely lie down here in this grass or enjoy that uh, piece of orange out there. You can just reap it and start eating it. It's really fresh and organic. So as you can see here, um, it's all natural, and this is probably the reason I really truly enjoy coming here. And you know, my family lives here. They've been living here for centuries, and it's this season of the year where I do lots of research and do lots of reading. So I grab a cup of coffee and grab a book and start sitting somewhere here in one of the corners of this farm and reading. So this is a good invitation to you to enjoy um, enjoy the weather, and probably if you find anyone, or if you know anyone of the families of your relatives or your friends who have such a place, to go invite, to get an invitation from them and go visit them. It's really refreshing, like the smell of this fog and the smell of the weather combined with this kind of earthy smell is just heavenly. Check that bird out there. I don't know if you see it, but I think you hear the sound of it, the sound of that bird. This kind of weather, especially today, reminds me of a movie that I truly recommend. It's called The Mist. I'm not gonna spoil the end of that movie, but if you like to watch it, I definitely recommend it. It has a twist, but let me show you this. See, this is fig, and it still hasn't been reaped. but I don't think it's a season um, for fig. However, see, it's fresh, and that one needs to be taken out. I don't know if I can reach it, but I can definitely reach this one here. And let me just try it. Thank you so much for joining me in this lovely tour in the morning. I suggest you grab a cup of coffee if you're not going to work because of pandemic. And if you're going to work, I think you should spend like a day of this year going and visiting such beautiful countryside south of Baghdad. Have a wonderful day.